Hello, Beez Bladers, and welcome newcomers to the channel. We've got another exciting unboxing to do. And before we do anything, I always have to say thank you to my subscribers, thank you to my patrons, and a special thank you for all of the new members to the channel. We now have the channel membership, so you can hit that join button to see what options are available and what perks you get for becoming a channel member. But besides that, we're going to get into this. So anyway, the knife in this box I got because I was influenced, and I was under the influence of an influencer. This guy, that guy. So he posted this knife on Instagram. I was like, okay, I gotta have it. He claims this could be the best knife of the year. And, well, who knows? It might suck. We'll find out. So I'm going to do the unboxing today with the Kubey Noble. If you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you saw the unboxing of this. I'm ready to do a full review of this bad boy. But enough of this knife. Let's just use this to get in this one. Are you ready? Are you set? Let's get in here. So, yeah, check out the new channel membership. That's pretty cool. It's exciting. I'm going to be posting things over there that are exclusive. Ooh, exclusive. I'm excited to see this one. There you go. Big old Kubey box. Kubey. Kubey. So this is the Kubey Royal. KU321. And I think it's around 59 bucks or so. You can get it on Amazon. Let's take a look here. Kubey KU321 folding pocket knife. Black. And there you go. Now, quick story about this one. I ordered this. Got it 2 days later, and it was the Kubey box, and it said this, but it was a different Kubey in the box. And I was like so confused. I'll probably put that on a blooper reel because I was trying to get through the review and oh my gosh, I was like, what is the deal? I thought you could reverse flip this knife. I was so confused. That's definitely going to be a good blooper reel. They put the wrong knife in the box. So here we go. The KU321. This is what comes in the box. Not a whole lot. Have a little card here. This is what it says on it. Take a screenshot if you want. Kubey. An edge above the rest. All right. Let's check out this knife. And it comes nicely sealed. Very nice. Very, very nice. Man, that's a slicey one. Whoo, that's slicey. I like a slicey. Yes, I do. I do. All right, here you go. There's the KU321. Can you see it? Just look at it. Look at that big old thumb hole. I don't know if you'd call it a thumb hole. But there's this side. If you want to take a screenshot. See a little bit of texture going on with the old G-Titteroonie. The Kubey Royal. That's pretty cool. Now, this is a CM design. I have one other knife that was designed by, it's Colin Mason Pierre. And I Googled Colin, and the most I could find was that he's a graphic designer, but I know he is on Instagram. So there you go. Let's open it up. Front flipper. Oh, that was smooth. Ooh, that's a cool looking blade. All right, Lefty. So far, so good. So there's the blade. You know what? I'm going to change this light up, guys. I'm going to add some light. But there's your blade. Here's a look all the way down the knife. That's pretty cool, pretty nice looking G10. It's almost smooth, but it's not. It's kind of in between. I would say it has texture, but not too much texture. It's just about just right. Just about just right. And that looks like a big old T8 right there. Oh, yeah. Nice Kubey symbol in the pivot there. Not a whole lot of branding, just the Kubey symbol there. And on this side we have CM Designs, which is very nice, very, very nice. Has a nice looking edge on it so far. We'll check that out. We'll get into all this good stuff here in just a minute. Pretty nice looking pocket clip. All right, let's do some quick speckaroonies and get these numbers out of the way so we can get to the good stuff. All right, keeping up with my guessing game, I'm gonna say it's pretty light. I'm gonna go with 3.4. 3.4 is my guess. Ooh, I'm getting better. 3.285 ounces. Not too bad, not too bad. Almost got a gold star. All right, let's get some quick measurements on this bad boy. Let me do a zoomarooski here. and get you the numbers. All right, are you ready for the numbers? How long is this thing? Total length is coming in at just shy of 7 1/4. And what's our blade length look like here? Let's do this. Let's get a blade length. All right, I'm not going to spend too much time doing this. So the total blade length is about 3.08, and then our sharpen length is coming in right about 3.02. So pretty much 3 inches. So your blade width coming in at 0.969, 0.97, so just a hair shy of an inch. And how about our handle thickness? Let's see what our handle thickness is. We'll just play around with the old calipers. 0.869 for your handle width, width. Here's your thickness, 0.53, so about a half an inch thick. And let's see what kind of blade stock we're working with here. Blade stock is, well, there's your norm, 0.119, 0.12. It's about the norm, normski. All right, let's look at fit and finish of this bad boy. So we have a bead blasted blade on Beez Blades. Say that 3 times real fast. It's a pretty good looking blade. The finish is overall looking really good, really good. And we'll get in here a little bit closer. I get stuff on it already. So let me do a little zoom ski, give you guys a look at this texture. Kind of looks like micarta. It's pretty neat. Pretty neat looking G10. What do you think? Give you all nice and close up a look at this thing. Here's your pocket clip. Got a deep carry pocket clip. The screws are nice and level. No mushrooms growing in the shade there. That's very nice. Very nice. Really nice looking barrel spacer back there. Nice clean see-through design. And you can see got some milling going on in there. Take out some weight. And let's see on this side. Do we have any on this side? Yeah, a little bit. Looks like a little bit down there. We've got some milling, and we do have a lanyard hole right there, which is very nice. Very nice. And what do we have? Okay, this is a reversible. Very nice. We got a reversible pocket clipperooski. Okay, so let's see. Okay, got no blade play, no lock rock. It is nice and solid. Absolutely no lock stick. Ooh, that's pretty nice. Got a nice pass through. I really like it when I have enough room to get my finger in there. I don't like to fidget with the knife as much if I have to dig my finger in there to unlock it. This, very comfortable. And yes, we're nice and centered, which is very nice. Very nice. This is a pretty nice looking knife, guys and gals. What do you think? Giving you a look. The liners are inset. All kinds of good stuff happening here. Maybe I was influenced by a good influencer, huh? And I'm curious. Let's see. How does this thing in and out of the pocket? Very comfortable. That was sound division. I'll probably do a little quick clip and put up here of it going in and out of the pocket for you. And let's see what kind of edge we got on a piece of paper. Oh, that wasn't good. Oh, there we go. Ooh, very nice. Very nice. Yeah. That is really nice. Okay, so it comes from the factory with a good edge. That is very nice. Let's do a quick comparison of a few knives here. Side to side, I'm going to give you something for, here you go. There's some contrast. Everybody needs some contrast in their life. So here is the Spyderco Tenacious. This gives you an idea of the thickness next to the Spyderco Tenacious. And it's a little bit thicker. Here's the Spyderco Manix 2. A little bit thicker than the Manix 2. Spyderco Delica. And here's a QSP Penguin. Okay, that's closer. It has a little bit of width. It's not hateful whatsoever. And here is the CRKT Pilar or Pilar 3. So it has a little bit of thickness. I don't know. That's all comparative. And let's put this bad boy up against some other knives that you guys hopefully might have one of these so you'll know what this thing looks like in the hand. And I'm going to put these to pivot. Quick housekeeping, guys. Hit the like button for me. Do me a big favor and hit the like button or the not like button. And if you're not subscribed, now's the time. While you're thinking about it, we've got all kinds of exciting knives. I have a ton of content headed your guys' way. So here is the Manix 2 and here's the Tenacious by Spyderco. And here's, so up a couple more. Here is the Spyderco Pair 3. And make sure after the video, give me a comment. Let me know what you think about this one. We still have plenty to check out here. We'll check out the action and ergos and all that good stuff. This is the Spyderco Delica, and this is the pair 3. So it's a tad, just a tad shorter than the pair 3, not by much. And maybe just a hair bigger than the Delica. Just a hair. Here's a QSP Penguin, which a ton of people have. Ton of people. And here's the Pilar 3. CRKT Pilar 3. Pilar 3. So there you go. That's in the ballpark right there. That's pretty darn close. And then the knife that I think that's going to look the closest is also designed by CM Designs. Is the TS319, which, by the way, was also influenced by Lefty EDC. See, that's what happens. I just can't watch his channel anymore. Just kidding. He influences me. He shows cool knives. I really like, you know, the same knife style. So this one has a little bit longer blade, a little bit longer handle. And since it's the same maker, let's check out the handle thickness. Okay, so I'm sensing a theme. A little bit thicker handles. The TS319 has thicker handles. So not too shabby. All right, let's check out the action. Before I forget, guys, in the description of every video is 10% off KPL Knife Pivot Lube, White Mountain Knives, and Mojave Outdoors. There's 3 different sites to Mojave Outdoors. I have 10% off on all those. Plus, there's affiliate links down there to knives that I recommend, knives that I've bought. Go check them out. Support the channel. Appreciate it very much. All right, so action and deployment. Let's see what we have. No flipper, which is kind of nice. Sometimes you get a little bit flippered out. We do have a front flipper. I guess back flipper would have been the proper term there. But very smooth. Ooh, the action is really smooth too. Fresh out of the box. Ooh, yeah. Oh my goodness. Couple drops of knife pivot lube. A little bit of KPL in that pivot. Oh, that's pretty nice. There's your front flipper action. Reverse flick for days. And it's very easy. Very, very easy. And it's nice that you have options. Your finger can fall wherever. It doesn't have to. Let's see. Down here. And what about the index finger? Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Can we do it upside down? Absolutely. Oh yeah, I'm seeing fidget. Oh yeah, got some fidget factor going on, boys and girls. How about thumb deployment works well? Very nice, very nice. Can we pinch it open? Yes, we can do a slow roll. Okay, we got a fidget knife. I'm liking it. So, I'm loving it. Sorry guys, I'm getting like distracted. The action is really good on this thing. It flies out. The detent feels really good. Curious what Lefty will say about the detent. Man, that's very nice. I'm liking the action. Now here's your ergos. Actually, speaking of Lefty, let's see if I can do this with my left hand. Okay, there's the first try. I fidget with my left hand often. Yeah, there we go. Little slow. There we go. Can I middle finger flick left-handed? Oh, man, yes. And actually, I don't think this would be bad for a lefty. It's reversible. Yeah, that's pretty comfortable. And, oh, I almost forgot my favorite front flipper deployment. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. Using the index finger, that's my preferred method with the front flipper. I can just sit there and do that for days. Yeah. Can you tell I'm excited? Am I just a little excited? All right, here's your ergos. My hand from here to here is 4 inches. From here to here is 3.5. And from here, go sideways. There we go. From here to here is 7 1/4. So here's what it looks like in the hand. Getting all up in there. Getting up in there. Okay, so full four finger purchase. I'm just full of words tonight. Words. Giving it a nice squeeze. I'm feeling the pocket clip just a little. It's not hateful at all. That's not bad at all. I'm getting a good purchase of it. And there's, what kind of choil we have here? Sharpening choil. Just a little bit of a sharpening choil going on before you hit the plunge grind. So that's not too hateful. You won't give it a big smile when you're sharpening for quite a while. That's very nice. Very, very nice. But got a nice flat here that you can put your finger up on. This ergos are pretty comfortable. Can you get in it? Oh yeah, not bad at all. I'm not really getting hot spots. I mean, other than the typical what you feel when you have a deep carry pocket clip, I wouldn't say that's not too bad. Not too bad. What kind of tip we looking like here? It's not too shabby. I wouldn't say it's a splinter getter. It's not too thin. Have a really nice attractive swedge going on up here. I'm liking this blade shape. That is pretty cool. Loving all these modified sheep's foot, drop pointy, worn cliffy blades. I mean, I don't know how designers keep coming out with something that looks just a little bit different than the last one, you know? It's really awesome. These designs that are coming out with, I'm just really enamored by this bad boy. I mean, just look at it. Want a screenshot? Here's you a screenshot. Want to see the other side? There you go. Pretty good looking knife, guys and gals. What do you think? What do you think about that? I mean, that's pretty sweet. The ergos, that is comfortable. Got a little bit of jimping going on, a little bit of jimping. The jimping, it's not aggressive and it's not non-existent. It's like just right. It's like just enough to help keep your thumb in place. But I don't know, it's pretty comfortable. If you had even a bigger hand, your pinky could fall on that flat area back there. But man, that's pretty darn comfortable. So what do I like about it? Well, already I'm loving the fidget factor. I mean, the fidget factor is just awesome. There's so many ways to use this knife. And I know that's not the purpose of a knife, but I know a bunch of you are just like me, and besides using the knife when you're not using it, it's nice to have a little bit of fidget factor. Not always, but I tell you what, I tend to carry the knives that have a little bit of fidgetability more than I do than the ones that don't. Except for maybe when I'm doing yard work. Then I'll get just one that fidget factor is not an issue or not a consideration. So I like the deployment options. The ergos are really good. The action is already smooth. Comes with a nice sharp edge on it. So I'm liking pretty much most. I mean, what's screaming out at me, other than just feeling the pocket clip, which is kind of par for the course with a deep carry. I mean, this is going to be super deep carry, and you guys have probably already seen a clip of it going in the pocket. Maybe a little, I don't know. I mean, there's nothing you can do about the pocket clip. So for right now, I don't have much negative to say about it. I'd have to say that Lefty might be on course. I don't know about the best. I'll have my own picks by the end of the year. But man, it's a pretty good choice, guys. Under 60 bucks, pretty nice. And you know, I haven't been able to check all the websites out, but usually the Kubeys you can always get on Amazon, and they were still available today. So I'll put a link in the description where you can go get it. I appreciate you guys stopping by. I'm curious what you think about it. What do you think about Kubey? What do you think about this one? They've got a couple of other new models coming out, or that have just been released too. So leave me a comment, and even if you don't have something to say about the knife, you guys already know. Say hello. Tell me what you had for breakfast. I don't even care. Say something in the comment, and I'll comment back. All right? But thanks, guys, for hanging out with me for a little bit and checking out this new Kubey. And remember to live life in the present, keep a Band-Aid handy, and don't cut yourself.